Good morning, SMF senior traders and the new SMF MMTs. Is that we're talking about tops, and we're talking about one teeny, two teenies down, which is the par for Google. So basically, as I said before in pre-market update, is that even though the tape is only 34 minutes open in price action, is that we will stay and hold, because we need to hold the higher delta. This would mean an expansion, and expansion equals strength. Okay, so what we're going to do is monitor these pullbacks on all of the indexes and all of the equities. So far in week 2, today being Thursday, week 1, from the index reversal tops, is that the delta retracement on the way up, the delta's up from the delta down, would mean that the indexes are gaining back that price action stability momentum. It would also mean that when they do slide the bid, that on Google it's always 3 teenies up and 3 teenies down. But when you come back and test, you give back with the green bar like this one right next to it. Right there. So that's a 369, and if this was strong, you would have only pulled back to a 6 bar. You would have sat up and then broke higher. It didn't do it. So down here at where that 3-minute breakout bar is, you got to see another fat green bar come in the name. If you don't, then that means that 369 reversal would be building a little bit more momentum in it, and you would not hold that price action line. So as I said about putting the top in, is you need to stay elevated. Now 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teenies down on this name here, Google, is exactly what it should be doing. And the next thing to understand, senior MMTs, when you're taking that 1,000 and adding, another 1,000 shares or whatever, or who's buying the calls on it, is that this bar has got to be rapidly green and advancing in price. And ratio wise, you're building the momentum in the IR column, which these new MMTs love to ignore for some reason. They don't think there's no meaning to what this red line is down here and how wrong they are. And the timestamp of that 3 teeny down to the buy bar has to come in like it is now. And this must go rapidly higher to confirm it. And on the second bar, you have to break higher than that bar and you would execute.